Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start a chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is Making of Pakistan. In this chapter, we will discuss the topics number 1 Introduction, number 2 Lahore Resolution, Cripps Mission, Simla Conference, General Election of 1945-46, CR Formula, and Gandhi Jinnah Talks 1944. First of all, we will discuss the three main institutions. Number 1, Aligarh, Nadwatul Ulma, Madrasa Deoband. Aligarh movement was started in 1859, Nadwatul Ulma was established in 1894, and Madrasa Deoband was established in 1866. After the defeat in the War of Independence in 1857, Muslim leaders tried to guide the Muslims through the establishment of institutions like Aligarh, Deoband, and Nadwatul Ulma. So in this chapter, we will learn about the institutions and the events which widen the distance between Hindus and Muslims. Number 1, we will discuss Aligarh movement. Aligarh movement was started after the War of Independence 1857. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, a great leader, he started the Aligarh movement. He started Aligarh movement in 1859 at the place of Muradabad. He opened a small school at the place of Muradabad, and what was the purpose of that school? To promote the Western education. Number 2, Scientific Society. And what was the purpose of Scientific Society? To translate the books in Urdu language. Number 3, Aligarh Institute Gazette. It was a newspaper and it was published in March 1866. This newspaper published articles on political, educational, moral and social issues. Number 4, Committee Khwasta Garan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan set up a committee at the place of Banaras to act upon his educational objectives. Number 5, Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental School. It was inaugurated in May 1875. Number 6, MAO College. After 2 years, the school was upgraded to college level, and the Governor General, Lord Lytton, laid the foundation stone on 8 January 1877. At last, Aligarh University was established in 1920 by the great efforts of the son of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, but Sir Syed Ahmad Khan died in 1898. Number 2 point is Madrasa Nadwatul Ulma. Madrasa Nadwatul Ulma was established in 1894 but started the progress in 1898 due to lack of money. It had faced financial difficulties at the beginning, but Nawabs of Shahjahanpur, Bhopal and Hyderabad supported it financially. Maulana Shibli Nomani played an important role for the lasting progress of this institution. The main objective of this institution was to eliminate the differences between the ulama of Islam and working for the welfare of the Muslims. The last institution, Madrasa Deoband. Madrasa Deoband was established in 1866 and it was located at the district Saharanpur, UP. When the scholar of the subcontinent realized that Aligarh movement was trying to change the religious and cultural tradition of the Muslims into British mold, they established a religious madrasa at Deoband for the awareness of the Muslims. The main objective of the establishment of Madrasa Deoband was to promote the pure Islamic education. The founders were Maulana Zulfikar Ali, Maulana Fazlur Rahman, Maulana Rashid Ahmad and Maulana Qasim Nanotwi were the founders. Madrasa was laid in a village of Deoband, district Saharanpur in May 1866. Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi and Maulana Mahmudul Hassan were the great teachers of this madrasa. At that time, When social, cultural, and economic political life of the Muslims were declining, the Christian missionaries and the pundits of Arya Samaj were trying to crush Islam. At that time, Deoband played an unforgettable role for the supremacy of Islam and the Muslims. The next institution, Anjuman Himayat Islam and Sindh Madrasatul Islam, also played the vital role for the promotion of education.